So essentially, what happened last time, Daisy had one of these chocolate donuts, which she, again, stole. We didn't give her one. Yeah, those big eyes. Was, yep, it was a literal shit show. She thinks she is entitled to my donut. No, you are not. You're adorable, but you are not entitled to my donut. Neither are you, Quinn. Not approved. I'm gonna keep doing the not approved. I don't know, that's my new vocal stem. You can thank Lionfield for that. I just gotta get another close up on her eyes. So they're so pretty. Daisy, are you a pretty girl?
She's the prettiest girl.
Yeah. And Quinn. Look at that pretty face.
Quinn's cute. Daisy's pretty, and Bernice is beautiful.
Yeah. Where is Berenice?
Probably napping somewhere.
Yeah.
She's an old lady. She doesn't have time for this.
Want to give him a boop? No? Okay.